Gusto number 61. Bounce pass. Alibaya for 3. Three. 44-53 down to 9-point lead. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Mr. Alonso on the ladder. Looking for the open. Pass to Coach Sardine. To Alonso now. Shot looks good. 12 to shoot. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 for 3. Short. Rebound from Alfonso. Pass number 61 now. Vergara on the ladder. Looking for the open. Number 1 for 3. Bang! For the ball.
SK.
Score 47-53. Game clock natin 6 minutes and 11 seconds. 200 for play wala pa rin. Rebound. Out of the 14 seconds. 10 on the shot clock line. 8 on the defense. 6, 5, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass number 1. Back to number 61. Garcia. Alibaya. Almost lost. Try. Pull up. Curry. Short. Rebound. Oops. Number 11 now. Dison. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Bounce pass to Alonso. Another bounce pass to Dison now. Pick up pass to Dison. Dison pa rin. 12 to shoot. 11, 10, 9, 8, Alonso now on the ladder. Diniscarte ngayon. 4 minutes and 20. 14 on the shot clock. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Pull up there. One circle. Dixon good for Jordan. 58-50. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Vergara looking for the open. Alibaya for 3. Wala. Offensive rebound number 1. Garcia break. Garcia, there's a whistle blow.